So next topic is coordinates of the midpoint of a segment. The other name is it's said to be a midpoint formula also. Here you can see see a segment PQ. Okay, dear. So here P coordinates is given and Q coordinate. If the midpoint, that means the M is considered as a midpoint. That is, M is dividing the segment into two equal parts. This is equal to this. So when such condition comes, how you will find this coordinate? This is the one here. Okay, x1, y1, this we say always, and this is x2, y2. And this will name as a xy here. So this point is given, this point is given. Then how to find this point when it is situated exactly in mid? Okay, so that time we have a formula x equals to this x we have to find out. So x equals to x1. This is x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 upon 2. That's it. And here for y coordinate, y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then you will get this coordinate x and y. Are you able to understand? It's very simplest here when it is said it's dividing equally. x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. We will solve one sum now here. One example, find the coordinates of point M. If point M is the midpoint of a line segment AB. So see here, this is a line segment AB, we consider, yes, and the M is the midpoint. Here they have directly said M is the midpoint. When it is said, we will use the midpoint formula, right here. So here A point is how much given? Minus 5, 4, and B is given minus 3, 2. So we are going to find the coordinates of point M. So let the coordinates of point M be what we are going to take, x and y here. Okay, x and y. Now here this A is what, my dear? The point A minus 5, 4 we are going to take it x1, y1, and B minus 3, 2 we are going to take it as a x2, y2. Now we need to find this M point here. Is it or not, dear? So we will write it by midpoint formula. We can write it shortly by midpoint formula. What is the first? We have to find the x coordinate here. So x equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So here, what is this? Minus 5 plus, and x2 is what, my dear? Minus 3. Is it or not? Am I right? Yes. Minus 3. So I am writing upon 2 equals to, here y, we will complete first x here. So what I have written? x1 hai minus 5 and x2 hai plus. Minus 5 plus into minus, minus 3 upon 2. So minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 3, 8, but the minus sign is, minus 5 is the bigger number, 2, 4. So you got what? What you got, dear? X equals to minus 4. Let's go for the y also. We will solve it and check it out. y1 plus y2. That is, y1 is 4 plus y2 upon 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. Is it or not? Yes. So what is the value you got? Y equals to 3 here. So what is the coordinate for the point M? That is minus 4, 3. So we will write it at the last, the coordinates. Answer, coordinates of point M is what is, my dear? Minus 4, 3. You always have to complete the answer in this manner. Hello students, our next topic is centroid formula. You know what do you mean by centroid? The point of concurrence of the medians. You know, this is said to be a median where M is the midpoint, right? Similarly, from here one more median can come. Similarly here. So all the medians come and intersect at the meet at which point? This point G. So this is said to be a what, dear? Centroid. This point is said to be. Now I have shown only one median here with the point G, that is a centroid here. Okay. So when we want to find this point and 3 vertices points are given. this point coordinates, this point coordinate and this point coordinates are given, and they are asked to find out what is this point coordinates. That time we have to apply the centroid formula. So let's understand here. In triangle ABC, A we consider as x1 y1. Yes, we will consider as x1 y1, and a B as a what, my dear? B as a x2 y2 point, okay, coordinates, and a C as a x3 y3 are the vertices. Now segment AM is the median. I have just now discussed with you. AM is the median, and this is XY. Here we will assume that XY is the point of the centroid here. Now you remember, dear, we have learnt in the previous classes here, that is this AG, this centroid divides the median in the ratio of what? 2:1. Yani AG upon GM equals to 2/1. Yeah, or we can write it AG is to GM is 2:1. That means if this is 2, this will be how much? 4. Okay, that is what 2:1 forms here. So this is a standard rule here. Yes. Now we will, what is the formula? We will write it now here. So when I want to find this x coordinate, the formula is x equals to this x1, this point, okay, this x1, this x2 and this x3. All the x we have to sum up. That means x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1, 3. This 3. Okay. Now similarly for y equals to what? You can now, by looking at this, you can tell how it is. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So this is the centroid formula when we want to find out the points of the centroid. Clear? Let's see one more example here. Yes, find the centroids of the triangles whose vertices are given below. That means the triangle PQR here, PQR, and the 3 vertices are x1, y1, and like this is been given. Now find the centroid. That means we need to find the centroid here. Okay, so what is the formula? We have learned it. Initially we will write it, let the point, okay, P, what we are going to write it, 4, 7, we are writing as x1, y1. We always have to say which one we have assigned as x1, y1, and Q, 8, 4 as a x2, y2, and R as a what? x3, y3. Okay, now remember we have to find the centroid, that is a G. So what we are going to do, let G, okay, xy is the point of centroid. So by centroid formula, we are going to find out this x first. X equals to, what is the formula we have learned? We have learned that x1 plus x2 plus, right, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and here y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. And we have assigned, we have to add all this left side, 4, 8, 7. We will write it directly, 4 plus 8 plus 7 upon 3. Always 3 is a standard one. And here, first we will complete this, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, that is 19 upon 3. So we cannot do anything. So we will keep it as it is, 19 upon 3. If you want to put it in a point, you can. Or you can leave it in a fraction also. Y1 plus y2, this one, 7 plus 4 plus 11. So y equal to 7 plus 4 plus 11 upon 3. 7 plus 4, it's 11. 11 plus 11, 22 upon 3. Again here we have what all the values we got? 19 upon 3. So what is the point G here? Point G, what is the value? They asked find the centroid na? Point G got, what is this? 19 upon 3 and 22 upon 3. This is the centroid. It's the centroid of the triangle. Understood how we need to find it out? Yes, my dear.